Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Google Chrome to default. Right, so just open your Google Chrome browser. On the top right you will see the three dots here. Click on the three dots. Now here you have to get to the option of settings. Now just go to the settings here, and here in the right side, basically on the left side bottom, you will see an option of reset setting. You have to just click on reset setting and click on restore setting to the original default. Click on it. Now it will just give you a notification that this action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts which you want. Disable all the extension which is available on the top right. Disable cookie and other temporary sites, right? So if you are okay with it, just click on reset settings, and in just few settings it has been reset, right? And let me show you. If I just go and show you right now, my account got paused. So I have to click on it. I have to click on to sign in again, and here I have to enter my email address and password, and it has been completely reset. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.